Guys, what's up? So today we're showing off best strategies for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called UPIP, which is U Picture in Picture. What this tweak does enables the native picture in picture in the YouTube app. The next tweak is called WA Quick Chat and swipe to open a new chat for unsaved phone numbers. So like I said, for WhatsApp guys, open a new chat for unsaved phone numbers from system phone app. No configuration required. Just swipe left. And probably my favorite tweak on the list is called App Editor. It works with iOS 13 to iOS 14 and above. So it has more than 30 plus features, guys. It has a bunch of tweets into one, which I really love. So for Unc0ver users, must update Unc0ver up to the latest version. Because if you guys don't, it actually crash or like you spring your device. If you try using this tweak, the tweak will not work if you don't have Unc0ver to the latest version. I am running, yeah, that's pretty much. Because it wasn't working for me before, and then I actually had to upgrade Unc0ver to the latest version, and then it started working for me. So you clear cache, open Falza for data, show data path in Falza, disable notifications, disable in-app notifications, copy bundles, change app icon, enable airplane mode, change location, disable Wi-Fi, disable tweets, downgrade, disable incoming calls, disable app calls, enable location services, set passcode, change language, bypass jailbreak, duplicate app, erase app data, backup, restore such badge value, always clear cache, clear badge. So you did a bunch of features with this tweak, guys. It's literally like 8 tweets combined into one, which is pretty amazing. So you swipe up on the app once you enable it and buy it. It's only like a couple dollars. It's only $5. Definitely worth it though, in my opinion. You swipe up on the app, and then pretty much that's it. And then you get a bunch of features that come up, and you go to the App Editor app that's going to be down on your home screen after you guys saw this tweak, and you can customize what settings you guys want on for your apps. This tweak is called What to Do 3 for WhatsApp. It's all in one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. So you guys can read it for yourself. Next tweak is called What to Do Tools. It's a library for What to Do and WhatsApp tweets. Next tweak is called UU Plus, the best tweak for the YouTube app. Supports iOS 13 and 14. So it's a jailbroken version of UU Plus by Checkra1n Black Cat. Powered with YouTube, iOS 13 or later. So if iOS 13, you have to add PoomSmart repo because force and picture is required. So you have these features right here. You can read for yourself. So picture in picture, UU. UYT, UHD, lots of certain qualities, classic video quality, no hover cards, which can enable disable annoying suggested videos at the end of the videos, YT system appearances, your dark light theme, block local network permissions, make sure you tune number your video caption settings, return dislikes, and skips annoying sponsorship ads inside videos. And you have known issues right here. This tweak is called Rocking for Instagram. Save posts and view stories anonymously. So you have a bunch of cool features that this tweak gives you. As you see, all these features right here. Download the Instagram app from the App Store and download this tweak, and it's automatically apply to the Instagram app. We have all these features. If a certain Instagram version is not working, you might have to downgrade or upgrade it just to kind of mess around to get the this tweak to work. It does work, but if Instagram just update this tweak, upgrade their app, and this tweak has not been updated, just use keep downgrading the app until the tweak works with the app. This tweak is called Keep Quiet Until Connected. Enable the speaker only after call connected. This tweak is called APT Fits, and sometimes your package manager will kick back an error like DPKG locked or APT locked. These errors aren't actually caused by the city or the package managers, rather they're caused by those sub-processes, which is APT, DPKG, city, etc. So clear those errors with a simple terminal command. Run APT fits in terminal or press the conveniently placed button in the preference bundle. So it's actually really helpful. I definitely recommend installing this tweak. So if you guys get that error where it says like you can't install tweets because the APT fits error or whatever, then I would definitely recommend like DPKG locked where you can't do anything, can't install tweets in Cydia. Then this tweak can save you. I would definitely recommend installing this tweak. It's called iCaros. And a complete overhaul or iOS multitask ingester, replacing the traditional app switcher with a custom one. So you have these features right here, guys. And it does support iOS 14 and 14.8. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.